Hi, I'm Ali from Results in Wellness, and we're delighted to be working with diabetes.co.uk to raise awareness of the Painpod, a medical device used around the world to great effect with diabetes, to aid circulation, improve movement and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Voted by Forbes magazine for 2 years in a row as a top 10 healthcare gadget, the device features two different technologies. TENS, which most people have heard of, it's been around since the 60s and it blocks the pain signals that go to our brain. And EMS, electromuscular stimulation, which by contracting and releasing the muscles draws blood into the area, increasing blood flow, flushing out toxins like lactic acid and increasing endorphin production, all natural processes that occur in our body, but when we experience pain or injury or we're getting a bit old, these processes are slowed down. At the end of the video, I will tell you about a special limited time offer we're running in conjunction with diabetes.co.uk.
Hi, my name's Gary Fagg. I'm the chairman of the Paul Ricard Diabetes Charity. We're situated at the William Harvey Hospital, Ashford, Kent. Our charity started in 1989 when Paul Ricard, a young diabetes young lady, died as a result of a tragic hypoglycemic event. Recently, and within the last couple of years, the Painpod machine came to our attention. We immediately saw the possible benefit to diabetes patients for a number of reasons. People with diabetes have the highest cause of amputation in the Western world. We found when we tried people with the Painpod, when they were suffering limb pain, it alleviated it very, very quickly. Going forward, we would expect the Painpod to be very, very useful in helping to increase the blood flow around areas of infection in diabetes patients. People with diabetes will suffer over years from leg ulcers, and they're very difficult to get healed. By using the Painpod, you can stimulate blood flow across the area, and that will help quicken the healing process. And us working together with the people who make Painpod, we're going to be a force to be reckoned with for diabetes patients.
And we're delighted to say throughout 2019, the Paul Ricard Diabetes Trust will be rolling out around another 50 devices across Kent to diabetes sufferers. So the first thing that strikes you is the premium packaging, and unboxing it is rather like opening an Apple iPhone. Here's the pod, very small, portable and very light. And inside we have the placement pads, 3 different sizes. We have the electrode leads. There's 2 of them for port A and port B, but we can talk about that later. And then you have your charging cable and plug. So an hour and a half charge will give you 40 hours of charge on your pod, but if you just want to do a quick recharge, then 5 or 10 minutes will give you enough for a 30-minute treatment. So the first thing you do is take your electrode lead and plug it into your port. I'm plugging it into port A. You can see it's clearly marked A and B. And then you attach your pads. Very simple, just like a popper. Pops on. And again. And then you remove the plastic cover that protects the sticky pad and place them on the desired area. There's full instructions in the box for a variety of ailments and aches and pains, and you can choose your placement areas by checking on that. So we've got our pads attached, and now we're going to switch on the device, and on the top there's an on-off switch. So we switch it on and the screen lights up straight away. And you can see 12 different modes. So we click the mode button and we click it across to our desired mode. I'm going to go for mode 4, and you can see there's a T on the bottom of the pod. and that just sets the time, so I'm going to set it for 10 minutes. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so next we have the foot pads. You can not only use them for your feet, obviously, for your ankles, lower limb pain. You can sit on them, lay on them for your back, place them wherever you want and lay on them. But for your feet, they're great for circulation as well, and they're currently being used in the diabetic community to great effect. As I mentioned earlier, we've put together a bundle in conjunction with diabetes.co.uk to provide you with a Painpod, these foot pads and a crib sheet to help you with which modes to use to improve your circulation to your arms, legs, feet and hands. We have a full UK help desk service at Results in Wellness to help get you started, and if you have any questions at all, please call 01732 447 321. Thank you.